Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder.
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Yes, we're going on with that beautiful droid. We did 4 stages in the previous video, and I don't know how many stages I'm going to do now. That all depends on how quick everything goes. But let's get straight into this and start with the stage 43. I've got 43, 44, and I may do a little bit more depending on how many time I'm spending on putting these together. There we go, 43. The bare necessities. Thinking up the all these things, medical droids. Then that's what we're putting together, and I've got it all right here. So let's get that out and put that together. All right, let's see. We did not get screws in this one, but we do need screws. Silver 6 mils. Let's get these out. We may get some others out a little bit later. These are the proper screws. This long silver ones, and I have one here as well. So we're putting that ring over it first, and we've got these 2 pillars there that match up with these 2 outtakes, and then we put that one on. We don't need glue on this one because this is properly threaded already. We put them so that those wedges, or what do you ever want to call them, push down and keep them in there. As you can see, we've got those posts to put together like that. It's neatly in there, and then we're going to put 2 screws in there. Those are the black ones, and I most probably think that are these black fixing screws, they're calling it, self-tapping, and these are self-tapping. You can see that because they look like plastic screws, because the thread is wide. There's a big gap between the two, between the thread. So that's that to put together, and that's that stage done. So let's go to the next one, and I'll show you the magazine first. Speed bike design. That one looks cool. I don't think they ever used it, but that looks cool. And some more robots. There we go. We're going to put it all together with these big ones. So let's put it to the side and get those out. Let's get that one out, because we're going to put that one side. Yep. And this one on the other side, with the numbers that you can see right there up, like so, pushing them together and putting those pins right there. So what are we doing first? Okay, we're getting one of those nuts out, and we're putting one of those silver screws on the other side. That keeps those 2 together. Hold that screw in, tighten that up, that's strong enough, and put those 2 together. I think we're putting the screws in here and then turning it around, or at least, no, sorry, the nuts in on this side, putting the long silver screws, or the longer thick silver screws. They've got quite a thick shaft, and twisting them in. There we go. Then on this side we do the same thing. We put 2 of those nutty guys in. These are all self-tapping screws. Think I put it in the wrong way around. Looks like. So let's put one here. How do you know which side is the proper side? With the lettering, and because we have those little uppers or whatever you want to call it. I think I need to glue those a little bit because they're not coming together and they're falling out. So I've got a bit of glue here. I put them all. Oh, I did. Seems I did. It is not coming together as easily as I thought. And that is what we have at the end of that stage. Let me put that one on. And I needed to glue that because they were falling out all the time. And I think we're thus quick that we do another stage. So let's get stage number 45 out. Right here is 45, The Rush for Christmas. He was young here. There we go. We've done this before. This is stage 45. So let's see how quick we get through that. Cables and we've got a light, so we want to get the tester out. Have the tester ready. Then we start with this one and that one, and we're going to put them together like so, and then screw them in. With the screws we got, these are self-tapping, really small screws, but it's going into this, so it needs to be quite small. I think, I don't know how long is that, 4 millimeters or something like that. They are saying don't over tighten those screws because they may crack the thing that's in there, so careful with putting that no further than hand tight. Then we're going to get this one out, the blue, red and black lead, that one into this side. We need to see a different color because there's a different color as well. Green and orange. Green, orange, green, orange. There you go, you saw it. We're getting these out with these, putting those small black self-tapping screws in. We still have them from a previous stage. And that's what we've got assembled. So let's leave that there and see what we do in the next stage. Right there, 46. They're making Jabba the Hutt. 4 tons of clay. Somewhere in a previous magazine we saw his eyes. More robots. Oh, that's a nothing stage. And we need a little bit of glue with that because otherwise these things fall out every single time you put them together. The only thing we're going to do is put them on right here. That's all we do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put quite a bit of that favorite glue of mine, that seeping glue, in there, and hope it stays in. That's all we do in 46. 47, as you can see right there. Ewok Extravaganza. Jedi Droid Data Analysis Unit. Case study JN66. All right. We're going to get that one out. All right, let's see if we can finish that within time, because I've got one left and I've got nothing more, so I am going to finish it. Let's put that on like so. That's the first thing we do. Then the next thing we do is put that on like so. Those are the thicker silver screws with a very fine screw. Oh, that's it for this stage. We're leaving it at that. So, wow. This is going quicker than I thought it was going to be. So let's put that aside and let's see if we're going to assemble everything together right now in 48. 48. First day at the studio. Woo-hoo. Alright, let's see what we do in the next stage. As you can see there, we're going to put that sensor in. So that's not a lot of work. Let's get that one out. And it's not a lot of work. It's just taking that cable off, putting that cable through the hole in the middle here. And that's it. That's all we do in this stage. All these things are just lying around waiting to be put together somewhere, including my tea. No. So there's a lot there. It's not a lot happening, and we're most probably putting everything together next time, but not this time. We've done quite a few. We've done quite a few stages, as you saw. But a lot of them are with hardly doing anything at all. So I really hope that we're starting to put things together in the next few videos or boxes that we're coming together. But please like, subscribe, and pass it on. Have a look at my channel. You can see behind me what I've built or what I am building. So hope you will join me next time when I do some more of these kinds of builds, or cars, or airplanes, or spaceships, or anything like that. Hope you will join me next time. See you then. Bye bye.